Alright, this is a quick video about the blank verse practice exercise sheet that you have received and how to do that. So if you look at it, you can see it says mark the following lines from Act 1, Scene 3 as either unstressed or stressed. And here's your example right up here. So I'm going to go through the example and I'm going to show you two lines here. So if you look at this, the first thing I've done is, the first thing I do is you mark off every two syllables. So you need to put a line at the beginning of every single line and at the end. And then the key is finding out where the other four lines will go to break up this into 5 different sections. Therein, ye gods, you make the weak most strong. Therein, ye gods, you tie, rents do, defeat. And notice that these lines can actually go in the middle of words if you go, two syllables, two syllables, two syllables. Then, after you do that, you need to mark unstressed, stressed, which is really easy because you always go unstressed, stressed. So, as you can see here, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, you stress, and the same thing here. So the key is, this is the hard part, is finding where these lines go to break this into 5 different sections. But it's easy because you put a line at the beginning and a line at the end. And then you just have to find out where lines 2, 3, 4, and 5 go. So there's the first one. Hopefully you've marked that up with me. Now if you look at the next section, the first 2 lines here, you see, again, I put a line at the beginning, a line at the end, and then I found and Y line should C line be line a tie, and notice tyrant is the same thing. You've got a line through tyrant in the same place because it has the same stress. Rent then. Poor man, I know he would not be a wolf. And then I put unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, all the way down this way, all the way down that way. You can do the rest the same thing for all the rest of these. Okay, breaking them up. You can see the word Romans here and the word Romans here. You'll probably have the line in the exact same place for both of those as you break it up. Make sure there are words in here that have 4 syllables or 3, so you're going to have lines through the middle of some of these words. Make sure you're counting syllables done for each word. Like a word like lion has 2 syllables in it. Begin has 2. Now, once you get done with that, you turn to the back. And the back is like this. As you can see, you're going to create 10 lines, and I've given you 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On each one of these 10 lines, you're going to create a line that is 10 syllables long. 10 syllables long, 10 syllables long. Where you're going to talk about what you did this weekend or what you want to do this next weekend or something. Just something about yourself, but you're writing in blank verse. I said, I hope to wash the car and clean the house, for I procrastinate and put things off. But if it snows and grows ungodly cold, then I will snuggle up and read a book. 10 syllables each. I broke them up, and then you can see, I hope, I used the unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed. I hope to wash the car and clean the house, for I procrastinate. So you have to put a line in the middle, 2 syllables here, 2 syllables here, and put things off. So you're going to do this, but instead of doing this with 4 lines, you're going to do it with 10. So by the end of this, you have 100 syllables. Please make sure it goes 10 syllables each line. Don't make sure if your handwriting's big, you write small enough that you can fit all 10 of your syllables on each single line so you don't bleed on to the next. Then you will break them off into the 5 different iambic feet, and then unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed. And this is due by the beginning of class on Friday. Good luck. Have fun.